Kilaitli ki District Council hakajala bakun thop ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council berkumju, ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, kila rai da Kawei ka sur, ban Īeng Pyrshah ya ka Uniform Civil Code ka batmu ban pentre kam habaro Kawei kari. Habakram kilat pathai khubor hadin ka Shillong ka baralong ha Conference Hall jong ka KHADC Shillong, na kalyang CEM ka KHADC ba penyat sing CEM, Nangta CEM ka JHEDC ba Thombor Shiwat baru RK Sangma Chairman High Power Committee kilapan pau bala shai ka sngi kin phara ka jing tho shaka law commission jaka riban Pyrshah jor halor ka te ka UCC
Lishibunya pi barok ki perlok jing na ki media house repair awan cover ya kanika meeting ka jumi. Okay, today we are having a joint meeting of all the three Autonomous District Council in Meghalaya, that is the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. And the purpose of this meeting we are having today is with regards to the intention of the central government to implement the Uniform Civil Code in India, which will include Meghalaya state as well. So regarding this meeting, we have a lot of discussion, interaction with all the three autonomous council. So in this meeting, we have unanimously took a decision that from all the three district council will oppose the implementation of UCC in the state of Meghalaya. So this is the meeting and also the decision that the outcome of the meeting today. And we have with us our CM from Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the chairman of the High Power Committee of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and also we are having with us our CM, Honorable CM of the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council and also a member of the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council. So in this meeting, that is the only decision that we took today in this joint meeting. And we also decided that we'll send a joint resolution that will be signed by all the three council, and in this resolution we'll send before the 14th of this month, July, to the National Law Commission, and also a copy of this will be sent to the state government.
Any recommendations from the district council, or you will just write by your own?
Actually, as such communication we have not received yet, but since the law commission has given this appeal in public domain, so we feel that as responsible citizen of the state and as responsible autonomous district council of the state, we should go ahead and inform them that we oppose such implementation, such intention to implement the Uniform Civil Code in India, which will affect our state, Meghalaya, as well. So I think with this meeting that we are having today, we had a unanimous decision that we took. Will forward the joint petition of all the three CM district council. We strongly oppose the implementation of UCC in the state of Meghalaya. So I think this is a very clear message to them that from a state of Meghalaya, we don't want UCC to be in place or to come into force in our state of Meghalaya. Yeah, we will give some points on what ground do we have to oppose, because as we have already shared with you in the last week, we had meeting with different stakeholder like the HIMAS, the Khasi state, and also the NGOs in Shillong. We feel that implementation of UCC will dilute our rich culture, tradition and custom, and also our practices that we are having, and also like provision that are given under the 6th schedule to protect and safeguard our rich culture tradition. So in fact it will affect inheritance system, our marriage system, and many, the land and the forest and everything. So we thought that this is the right platform that we could come together as the 3 district council to oppose on behalf of the state of Meghalaya.
Yeah, thank you so much, all the media houses. I welcome you and thank you for giving us this chance and opportunity to show our opposition, a strong opposing this bill which is going to be passed. So we strongly, the reason why we are here today is because it was the initiative taken, and I strongly thank and the initiative taken by the CEM and other members of the Kashil's Autonomous District Council. Like you said that yes, we had a couple of series of meeting with all stakeholders of the society in Kashil's Autonomous District Council. We had meetings with NOCMAs, we had meetings with all the NGOs, and we had also had a meeting with all the stakeholders, senior citizens likewise. Yes, of course, we have taken a resolution, would be taken as in it has been taken, but then it has not been drafted yet. So it is in the process of getting drafted. Hopefully by evening it should be in our hands, so that we can have a joint resolution, like our CM from KHDC had said that we will draft a resolution jointly, so that it is in the process. So it will most probably by before 14th, then we will be able to like give a resolution before 14th to the law commission, National Law Commission. So it will be in that process we will move forward. And I strongly oppose on behalf of the GHDC, the central government which is trying to implement this UCC. We strongly oppose. And today why we are here today is that we could have given a resolution all by ourselves as well as all the 3 ADCs, but we thought in a different way, that I think if we stand together, our case would be much stronger and people will hear our voice. That's it.